the Staresso portable espresso machine. It comes in a nice, neat, self-contained package. Simply unzip the carrying case and pull apart. Add some hot water into the reservoir. Press and turn the pump to eject it. Unscrew the bottom basket and fill with your favorite grounds. You can use the included aluminum cup or go with the upgraded glass version. Simply give several pumps. This will help to press the coffee and force the water through. Add milk if you'd like and enjoy. I find this great for camping or to keep in my desk at work for a quick afternoon pick-me-up. Utilize the included microfiber cloth for an easy cleanup.